This conference will now be recorded.
Okay, so till now we have seen how we create generally professional applications. Okay, and now we have created one master here, that is predefined values that we will be used for other purpose. And here in home expense we have created, and that will master is coming as a drop down. Save it. Now the time is how we can show as a report. Okay, so let me go to the report part. W base. One thing is for report. Let me create it. So, so this is data window report. So we'll create a data window report, and then, but first thing is here for report, what you need? You don't need new, delete, save. You only just need print, save as, and close. Okay. So how we can do this? Because we don't want to change the other part. So if you don't want to change the other menus, you just need to go here and then inherit a new menu from activity, and the name is like M report. So M expense report. And because we don't want this new in my report, and visibility false, this delete, don't want this, and even the save is not available in report. Print and save as will be there. Okay, so like toolbar also we need to remove. We are going to like in approach where all toolbar are available, and where we need only some toolbars, we can disable some, and if we need some specific toolbar we can add that toolbar too. Okay, now let's allow this new toolbar over here, and look, you have only print, save, and close, and here you have as previous. Make sense? So this is one thing. If you want to change anything in your toolbar, you just need to inherit that part, and you just need to either uh, disable, enable, or you need to create some. But you cannot delete anything. Okay. Now let me create a data.
This conference will now be recorded.
it's recorded. Okay, so here you see detail ID, FK expense master ID, expense date, and expense value. But I need uh, a field here that is expense detail. What is the expense here? So let me select asterisk from expense master. Look here, master ID and then master name. So what I need to do here? I need to write a join here. So I'll join first table with my master table, and the join will be on expense detail dot. This is a direct join dot. If you go here, what is the column for this? You know about the join?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. So here the table name, column name is FK expense master ID equal to expense master dot, and then there is a problem here. I cannot select. Here is your go row, and what I need to here X master. Anything you need to ask here? What is happening here? So I am making a join within between two tables, expense detail and expense master, because based on these keys I need to get the all names. Look, so x1 is here, but actually the name is exp1. So I don't want to show this to my user, I want to show this to user. Make sense? And this is also not usable for user, and this is also not usable for user. What is the usable information here? Detail, date, and value. Now let me copy the same thing and create a data window here. I'm just creating a data window. Here you see the in each report, either you are in Power Builder, you are in Crystal report, you are somewhere else, there are some bands in reports. One is called header. So header band means that is that will come to the all pages. Detail band is that is the actual data and it will be moving. Summary, that is coming on the last page of the report, and footer on every page of footer of every page. Okay. Now I don't this need this. What I need only three fields. That is your name. I'm putting it here, just trying to make it some. Then it is value and it is date, and I don't need this also. So then date and then value. Okay. Like center, border will be 6, color will be, I want to give some color here like a scroll bar, and then bold, and here is I'm saying the name is item name, or you can say here date of expense, and here is value of expense. Okay, let me put this near to this. In the same way, I want this inclined. Okay, and here, okay, then date. Do we need this much? No, we can make it like this, and then value of expense, and then put it here, value of expense. Now make it inclined. Border will be box if you want. If you don't want, that is okay. And height will be this one. So like date will be in format. So we need to define one format here, that is DD YY, and I'm saying D expense EXPENS report. Okay, and because it is a report, so we don't need a calendar here. We just need to show the value, and here in edit mask, and just need to show. If you want to show the point 00, that is okay in rupees. Now let me show you how it will look like. Go to the base report. Here attach this report to the data window, and over the DW report dot, again because it's need a
Sir,
database.
your screen is break. Your screen is break.
Break means
एक ही जगह पे रुकी हुई है सर आपकी स्क्रीन.
No, sir. No, sir. For me, it is okay.
okay. So maybe this is your side problem. SQL CA, and then you need to retrieve. Okay, now let me show you if it is work. Yes, it works. So like there are space is more than required. So how we can remove this? We need to go to the here and just put this detail band. We call it band, detail band height near to your column. Okay, now I need a sum of all my expenses. How? Then go to here, insert, and I can say computed build, and I can say sum for all. Here are a lot of function is available. You need to find which you want to use. Like This time I want a sum. PQRSTUVXVW. Why, where is sum? Yeah, here. Which sum you want? I want a sum of values. So the expression will be sum values for all. Verify, yes, available. So I need to put it here. And it should be right. And if I want to put a label here also, that is called total, I can put a label. Total expense. Make some alignment. Okay. So this way, go to here. Total expense is 5,000 and this is 25,000 and now 30,000. If I want to like this, let me check if it is possible. Go to here, format, journal, I want, then 00. So if you want to check your changes here, go to the layout and default, and you can also check your changes here. So that will be look like when you will execute. Again, if I want something more, then I want this background as a button face and border as a box, and I want it bold. Any doubt? And the same way it is a box, background, button face, and just near to here. Okay. So let me know if you have any question here. No? Now, if I want to implement some header, then I need to go to the header part and just what I want, I can
Hello.
write it here. Yes.
We want to show a item number.
1 minute. And I want this in center, and it will be background like I can say transparent, and that is also the transparent and no box, and it will be a big font. I can say 18. Okay, so that will be a header. Yes, now you want to show a item number, or you can say record. So that will be at first. So we need to move and we need to create some space here. What I need to do, I need to put Control C, Control V, so that I can write something here as a serial number. Dot, and then insert a computed field, that is called get row. So it will give you the number of row. Height is 76, so it should also be 76, not 46, it should be 76. Now let me show you if it is properly visible or not. Any doubt? I want a box and I don't want a background. Okay, so let me show you how it will be visible. If you want to print, you need to write a code for print. I think you should go like this. Everything should be, oh sorry, so some formatting you always required in a report. Maybe when you will create a report, you will invest a lot of time, but that is required in case of report. Okay, so any question till now? Go to here, look at
No,
it.
sir.
You want a order, you need to sorting. So if you want a order, just sort on the, like, go sort and put a date here. Yeah, I need a date, and that should be ascending or descending. I think descending. Latest should come first. Okay, so now if I go here and create multiple records, No logic on this. Anything you can create. Save it, close it, report it. Now it's looking nice. Yes. If you want to print, what you need to do? You just need to go to the print event and write your code for printing. That is dot print. I need to print this, then we'll check how it will look like. It is in session 8. There is no footer this time and no summary band here. Summary is here because we have written this in summary, total expense, but no footer band. So if you want to put some footer, what do you need? Okay, let me show you some footer things. I want to put only the name of printing one. Go to the computed field, put it here. I am saying printed by, and it's Keshav Sharma. And I need a date here who has printed this, and in date that is print on. So this is one string. So string can be added into string plus string, and there is a date time function, and here date can be get from like today function will give you the date, and now function will give you the time. So what we are doing here, we are getting a date time. Date will come from the today, time will come from now, and then converting into the string and adding it into the expression is okay. So this will give you one thing. Oh, where is okay, and like right, and let me show you. Okay, so every time it will give you the current date and time 15. If you print this, it will come on the page also. Footer will be like in footer only. Make sense? So this way
Yes, sir.
you can print your report also. And if you want some image and all, that is also visible. So that is a part of your, like I want this like here, I can say authorized signature. And I want to add one image here. Insert picture. Oh, I don't have any image. Maybe I have. Okay, don't go with the image. Just set your signature part. Like you have an image of your signature. You can also print that signature with report. Okay. When you print it, it will also print. Any question till now? So here what we need to do first, we need to learn about how we can write queries for our required data, and then you need to learn about what is header band, what is footer band, what is summary band, and what is detail band. So whatever you want, you also need to specify which band we want. Like if we want to show for each page, that is header or footer. If you want to show the only the last page, that will be in summary, and the real data will be in detail band. And like if I want to make it like um, a monthly report, like I want to show it monthly, month wise, and so I can make it like here I can create some groups also, and based on dates. So I want month of this date as a group. Month, verify, okay. Okay. So a group will be created, and this total expense will be like, if we want monthly expense also, then we'll go here and we'll create a computed field, and the same thing as sum. Previously we have written here for all. Now we are writing here for group 1, that is value. So if you want something at the level of group, then you need to write on group level. Look how it will show. This is for April, March, and then February. Now it's 1 2 3 4 5 6, not repeating like again one and again one. So this is a logic need to write if you want this. Okay, here, right one. Any question? So you need to do a practice for this. So here in with this application, we have told you how we can create a new applications, how we can create the base objects so that we should not like write duplicate codes. Then we show you how we can create a drop down from the database, and then we have shown you that uh, report part. So a small application can be written within this knowledge only. So now you need to practice for this, and we'll go further when you will be able to like write this type of applications. Make sense? Okay. So recording will be stopped for now, and then